alchemy, they call it the transmutation. You know, back in the primordial era, medieval times, alchemy was written within the context of chemistry. But that was just a big metaphor and an analogy. But only people who are biologically predisposed, you know, I would say to extrasensory perception, could really dissect what alchemy really means is the transmutation.
Arbitrariness of language. What is the relationship between the word or the lexicon cup and its the physical attribute of the object itself? What is the relationship?
In comedy with Mitch Hedberg, where I like to throw Mitch Hedberg, the surrealistic comedian. He said he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." That's so realistic. Force